Hi everyone, welcome to Trio Studios. This video is about cooking healthy and easy breakfast. Take 1 glass millet of any kind and rinse it thoroughly for about 3 to 4 times. Add 2 glasses of water and cook it in pressure cooker until 3 whistles. This requires minimum ingredients and can be prepared in less than 5 minutes. The ingredients are 1 cup of cooked millet, 1 tablespoon of sunflower and pumpkin seeds, 1 tablespoon of dried grapes and dates, 1 sliced banana, 1 cup of curd or milk, add all the ingredients to the cooked millet and mix it well. You can add the fruits of your choice. You can add honey while using milk and add salt while using curd for better taste. Now the healthy breakfast is ready to serve. Thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get the notification. Also share the video with your family and friends.